Blackberries, and this is easy to cook at home. And today I'm making apple and blackberry crumble. A big piece of juicy fruit in the middle and a lovely crispy crunchy topping of crumble. There'll be no soggy bottoms here. It's super easy any day of the week, and also if you like you can actually freeze the actual crumble topping for later use. Keep it in the freezer, bring out your fruit and then just top it with the crumble later on. Super easy, so let's get started. Put the flour into the bowl. To that I'm adding the caster sugar. I'm just going to mix that in lightly, and then I'm going to add in the butter for the crumble. I'm adding a generous pinch of cinnamon, and then I'm adding in the butter. I've made sure the butter is room temperature, and I've cut it into cubes just for easy mixing, and then we just rub it through our fingers until it's a nice breadcrumb style mixture. You don't want to work it too much, otherwise it will come too heavy. You just mix that in, it's nice and breadcrumby. So you just keep rubbing it through, make sure you don't have any big bits of butter. Okay, so that looks good, nice crumble. Get a breadcrumb consistency. I'm going to put this on a large tray because I don't like soggy crumble. There's nothing worse than soggy crumble on top of your crumble. So I get a large tray and I pour out all the crumble. Make sure it's on a thin layer, and I put it in the oven for around about 10 to 15 minutes until it's just nicely browned. Okay, so while the crumble is cooking, let's add sugar to the pot. And also the butter, and then we'll melt this down so it's a nice caramel looking sauce. Okay, so it's all getting nicely melted together. Okay, so we're just going to cook this until it's a nice sort of caramel looking sauce. Yummy. We'll cook it for around about 3 minutes. That's coming together nicely now. It's looking like a nice toffee looking colour. Okay, that looks good. See that? I'm going to add the apples. Lower the heat. It's all in nicely combined. Smells delicious. Okay, so they've been cooking for 3 minutes, and to that we'll add the blackberries. Blackberries. Just give that a stir. And we'll also add the cinnamon. Give that a stir through. Then we take it off the heat and we place the lid on it, and we're going to leave that for around about 3 minutes. It can be cooking in its own juices. Okay, so I took the crumble out halfway through cooking, or the crumble topping, and I just stirred it around just to make sure that it all got nicely cooked. Because it's a nice light golden brown. This is so that when it goes back into the oven with the fruit, when it's on top, it's got some more time to cook, so it gets a further brown colour. But as you can see, it's nice and toasty. You're not going to get that horrible soggy crumble. It's nice and crunchy. So now it's just a matter of putting it together. Okay, so I'm getting the mixture. It's got a nice colour. And it's still got the nice big pieces of apple there. Pop that all in and then just give it a nice spread around. And on top of that we'll sprinkle the crumble mixture. It's going to be nice and crispy. Okay, so that's nicely topped. Now I'm just going to put it back in the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's nice and bubbling and beautifully brown on the top. So see you shortly. Okay, so I've taken it out of the oven. It's been in there for 15 minutes. You can see the topping is nice and crunchy. We are not going to have a soggy bottom. Give it a taste test. Nice and crunchy, look. Pick up some of the fruit. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Hot. You really taste the cinnamon going through that, and the blackberries and the apple, and the lovely crunchy top. Absolutely delicious. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel, or give me a thumbs up, or leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now, and see you soon. Bye bye.